I'm over here with my on and off buddy, Dr. Jinkenstien. And this is the original radiator, right? So anyway, well, he's in the process, so I'm gonna leave him with it for a little bit. I'm gonna check back with him. He's getting it out.
Well,
he got part of it.
Oh, the fan itself.
Yeah, just be careful you don't break a blade.
No.
Alrighty.
I'm not gonna bust my knuckles either.
Yeah, don't bust your knuckles.
Even for myself.
I'm sure people want to see blood, maybe. I don't know.
No.
Maybe not.
You don't want to see a grown man cry. Alright. Here we go.
Boy, howdy.
Oh boy.
Oh, you even hit your head on that one.
But I had this to save me.
Had your hard hat on?
It broke loose. It didn't round it.
Had his hard hat on. Look at there.
Yeah, my God. Call the medics. That would have been
Had it
panic.
pointing in the wrong direction.
Put in the Batman pow slam.
Yeah, we'll put a slam on it.
Was the camera rolling when I did it?
Yeah.
It was?
Yeah,
We got that?
but I didn't get your head. I just got the noise.
Well, that's okay. You
Yeah.
can still put a socko.
Yeah, we'll
or
put a
something like
socko or something on it.
that. Okay.
All right, he's got a piece of plastic pipe on this wrench way down there at the bottom. Hang on a second. Way down there. Okay, here we go. Hot dog, something broke.
Magic.
Well, it finally got the best of him. He decided to get an easy chair.
Yeah, sonny. Ain't no substitute for experience.
Yep. Alrighty. I'll see you in a few minutes. Just put your sign on there saying you're still alive,
Yeah.
so I won't have to call the paramedics.